Kenny Robson, Jacopo Peruti, Kevin Gallas, Adrian. Who have we got coming down into this? We've got Carl Young coming through the bubble now. Big water bomb. Woo. Let's hear it for Jamie the Lobber Robinson. I think Lyndon's going to finish off here. He's the reason we have a fire marshal on standby from last year. Does anyone want one last burnout? Of course we do. Let's hear it for London Poskitts. Let's hear it for Jamie Robinson. Let's hear it for James Taylor. And of course Jeff Walker. We might need you. Ladies and gentlemen, it's been a fantastic crowd. Thank you ever so much for coming and hanging out with us here at the GoPro Arena at ABR Show 2026.